Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing thousands of dollars flowing into your account, all while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's more achievable than you think. Today, we're turning that dream into reality. We'll explore unique, unheard of, and insanely profitable business ideas that can set you up for life. These aren't your typical side hustles. These are business gold mines waiting to be tapped into. Let's get into it. AI-powered custom chatbot creation. Businesses are desperate for automation, and AI chatbots are the new gold rush. Most companies have no clue how to implement them, and that's where you come in. Using platforms like ChatGPT API, ManyChat, or BotPress, you can build AI-driven chatbots for customer service, lead generation, appointment scheduling, or even sales automation. Charge $1,500 to $10,000 per bot, depending on its complexity, and offer ongoing maintenance and updates for a monthly retainer. To take this to the next level, specialize in high-value industries such as healthcare, real estate, and legal services. These fields require compliance and specialized workflows, making your expertise even more valuable. Once you establish credibility, you can build a subscription-based chatbot service, generating recurring income while automating the future of customer engagement. For example, a healthcare chatbot can improve patient engagement and streamline appointment scheduling. In real estate, chatbots can enhance lead generation and customer interaction. Legal services benefit from chatbots by ensuring compliance and efficient client communication. Present your chatbot solutions to businesses and watch as they appreciate the value you bring. With AI-powered custom chatbots, you can unlock hidden business goldmines and drive significant growth. Digital cemetery and memorial services. People want to preserve the memory of their loved ones in a modern, digital way. Creating an online memorial service where customers can upload photos, stories, and even create AI-generated voice messages is an untouched market. This idea taps into a timeless need, remembering loved ones. You can develop a customizable online portal where families can store digital memories, create interactive tributes, and even purchase QR codes that can be placed on gravestones. Monetization strategies include subscription plans for ongoing hosting, $5 to $50 per month per family, premium memorial customization, $500 to $5,000 per package, and partnership with funeral homes for a commission-based referral system. The key is marketing this as an exclusive and modern way to honor legacies, making it appealing to both individuals and estate planning professionals. The emotional benefits are profound. Families can find comfort in sharing stories and memories, creating a lasting tribute that evolves over time. Digital memorials also offer the flexibility of virtual remembrance events and interactive features like virtual candle lighting, making it a versatile and heartfelt way to honor loved ones. With a global reach, digital memorials allow family members from different parts of the world to connect and share memories, fostering a sense of unity and togetherness. Luxury car co-ownership marketplace. Supercars are crazy expensive, but what if people could co-own them? This business allows customers to split ownership of high-end cars like Ferraris and Lamborghinis. Think of it as a timeshare for luxury rides. To make this work, you'd need a membership-based platform where groups of investors could legally own shares of a car. You facilitate the legal agreements, insurance, and maintenance logistics, charging a 10 to 15% management fee on each deal. Revenue streams include one-time onboarding fees, $500 to $2,000 per member, monthly membership fees, $100 to $500 per co-owner, and car rental commissions when the car is not in use. Once established, expand into yacht or private jet co-ownership, making this a multi-million-dollar venture. "I never thought I could drive a Ferrari, but co-ownership made it possible," says one satisfied user. Another user adds, "The platform is seamless and the experience is unparalleled." With glowing testimonials and a robust business model, this marketplace is set to revolutionize luxury car ownership. AI personalized nutrition plans ranging from $8,000 to $25,000 per month. People are willing to pay big bucks for personalized health solutions. With AI, you can create customized meal plans and supplement recommendations tailored to individual DNA, habits, and goals. This idea leverages the booming wellness industry, combining AI-driven analytics with personalized coaching. Offer services such as DNA-based meal plans, priced between $99 and $500 per plan, and monthly coaching subscriptions from $50 to $300 per month. You can also form partnerships with supplement companies for affiliate commissions. To take it further, develop a mobile app with AI-driven meal suggestions, recipe recommendations, and grocery delivery integrations. This creates an entire ecosystem of passive income streams. Success stories abound, with clients achieving their health goals and sharing their transformations online. These testimonials not only boost your credibility but also attract more clients, creating a cycle of growth and success. Eco-friendly microfactory, generating $10,000 to $100,000 per month. Sustainable products are in high demand, but small businesses can't afford large-scale manufacturing. Set up a microfactory that produces eco-friendly packaging, biodegradable cutlery, or sustainable home goods. The key here is using automation and low-waste manufacturing techniques to keep costs low while delivering premium quality products. Market your factory as an on-demand service for Etsy sellers, boutique brands, and even large corporations transitioning to sustainable alternatives. Revenue strategies include bulk manufacturing contracts ranging from $5,000 to $50,000 per order, private label eco-friendly product creation starting at $10,000 per client, and subscription-based packaging solutions from $500 to $5,000 per month. Once profitable, you can franchise the concept or sell the blueprint as a licensing package. An eco-friendly microfactory significantly reduces the carbon footprint by utilizing sustainable manufacturing practices. Power your microfactory with renewable energy sources like solar or wind to further minimize environmental impact. Implement eco-friendly waste management by recycling and reusing materials, ensuring minimal waste production. Engage with the community and form local partnerships to promote sustainability and eco-friendly initiatives. Offer educational workshops and train employees in eco-friendly practices to foster a culture of sustainability. AI-generated children's book business, earning between $5,000 and $50,000 per month. Parents love unique, personalized books for their kids. Use AI tools to generate customized children's stories with their child's name, pet, or favorite adventure. To make this a high-profit venture, offer print-on-demand books priced at $25 to $50 each. Subscription-based story clubs costing $15 to $30 per month are another great option. Custom animation upgrades for digital books ranging from $50 to $200 per order can add a unique touch. Marketing through influencers and social media storytelling campaigns can explode sales, turning this into a multi-six-figure business. Encourage creativity by allowing children to draw characters or brainstorm story ideas, making the book even more special. AI can also help design unique book covers, adding another layer of personalization. Share these personalized stories on social media to create buzz and attract more customers. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Join our community of like-minded entrepreneurs and start networking today. Leave a comment below and let us know what topics you want us to cover next. 7. Mobile EV charging stations. $15,000 to $50,000 per month. Electric vehicle owners hate waiting for charging stations. With mobile EV charging units, you can deliver fast charging services directly to their location. Revenue model per session charging fees $20 to $100 per charge. Subscription-based emergency charging plans $50 to $200 per month. Corporate partnerships with delivery fleets $10,000 or more per month contracts. This business has massive growth potential as more cities transition to electric fleets. Future prospects include autonomous mobile chargers and integration with smart city infrastructure. 8. Automated digital asset flipping, $10,000 to $75,000 per month. Buy and sell domain names, websites, digital real estate, and NFTs using AI to predict high-value flips. Monetization strategies: buy undervalued domains and resell, $500 to $10,000 per flip. AI-driven NFT trading and flipping, $1,000 to $50,000 per trade. Affiliate commissions from auction sites, $100 to $2,000 per deal. Once refined, sell an online course teaching others how to do it, creating another stream of passive income. Use AI tools to identify undervalued domains and negotiate profitable sales. Build a diverse digital asset portfolio and track performance for maximum returns. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash. Stay tuned for more insights and opportunities.